Just a little background on Cape Wood Floors. We were established in 1952. Recently, we got voted the number one industry in America. Last year in 2013, we were voted the overall best customer service for the manufacturing company. And we're kind of known for innovative thinkers, more along the lines of information technology, some automated accounting systems, and usually some cloud marketing, which is online based.
Hi, I'm Chad Kreutz, CEO of Cape Wood Floors. I'm going to take you through basically what we do here at Cape Floors, our overview of our business. We basically take lumber from lumber mills and we convert it into wood floors for tractor trailer companies such as Peterbilt and all those big tractor trailers you see on the interstate. Our current supply chain management is resulting in inefficient yields, and we've thought to find ways to increase this. And one of the most important things you can do is implement information technology into your business, and then therefore increasing yields and therefore increasing profits. So I'm going to take you through just the basic supply chain that we have here at Cape Wood Floors, and then we're going to go into a little bit more detail of how we plan on implementing these information technologies and new strategies to produce higher yields. Our current supply system here at Cape Wood Floors, we used a pull model, which is where we bring in customers using various marketing techniques and encourage them to place an order. And once they place the order is when we order the logs from the logging company and proceed on the supply chain. How our supply chain works is once we receive the logs, we send them into our high-tech machinery, which cuts them into the boards. And then once they're in the boards, we transfer them into drying, and they have to dry for 6 to 8 months until they get rid of all the precipitation in them. Once they're fully dry, we put them on the assembly line where they're assembled into the floors. And once the floors are cut to the specific measurements of the customer, we seal them. And once the boards are completely done and pass inspections, we call the customer up, they come over to our plant, inspect the boards for themselves, and then pay us and take them off and install them into their own trucks.
As you just heard, our current supply chain management strategy that our company is using is producing inefficient yields and lower profits. So we have decided to implement new information technology and supply chain management strategies to fix these issues. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to switch from our current pull model to a new push model. In the pull model, when we were using this, it was resulting in a time lag because customers were placing orders and it was taking up to 8 months to get the finished goods back to them. The second strategy that our company is going to implement is vertical integration. Vertical integration is a business strategy in which a company purchases its upstream suppliers to ensure that its essential suppliers are available as soon as they are needed. In the past, once our customers' products were finished, it was their responsibility to come pick up the floors. By implementing our new vertical integration strategy, we are going to purchase our own delivery trucks so we can ship the finished goods to the customer as soon as they are finished at our warehouse. This will resolve some of the issues we've had in the past regarding transportation costs from customers. Many customers were only purchasing several floors at a time, and they claimed that it was too much transportation cost to come pick up the floors if they weren't ordering a bunch at once. So by shipping the goods, we will be able to expand our customer base and provide better customer service to all of our customers.
First step in the supply chain management is to receive our lumber from the companies and then to manually count and take note of the order of lumber that we've received. The problem with that strategy is that there's human error, so counting it could be wrong or someone could mess up. With our new IT strategy and management, we scan the barcode of it, and then from there we know how many exactly it is, and it goes directly to our inventory system. 72, 73, 74, 75.
See you, Kyle.
All right, man. See you at work tomorrow. 75, 76, 77. As you just saw at our transformation center, the problem we face is the physical aspect of counting and recording our inventory. Our current system involves us handwriting and hand recording all our current inventory and recording it on paper. Our new strategy that we plan to use will allow us to manage and locate our objects and materials and keep a continual track of our inventory balances. Reliability is the biggest factor we face when using the old system. Hand counting and recording leads to too much room for human error. With our new system here, we'll be introducing information and technology in order to keep track of the physical count of all our logs and our boards after they're done. What you see here is you place the logs through the cutter, and then when it's going through the system, it'll scan each board and recognize it and send it to our database. The finished product as it comes out as the boards that we'll be using for the flooring. After the count is done, we'll be coming over here and to check our inventory system to make sure everything is right and updated. Using this type of data technology, make sure our method of data gathering leads to consistent results. This will assure us that the return of profitable margins will be replicated and achieve better results on a yearly basis. Once the logs have been cut, they are placed in the drying center for about 6 to 8 months. This is a major problem with our current pull model because customers place an order and then they must wait for that to go through the whole 6 to 8 month supply chain. But with our new push model, we can scan it and then track it to have them ready for the customers as they need it. Once the boards are cut, we'll place them into our drying center where they'll wait for about 6 to 8 months so the moisture can be fully released out of the wood. They're loaded by load number and they're scanned through our IT system. And once they're done through the drying process, they will now be sent to the assembly center. On to you, Mr. Wacom.
Alright, here in the assembly center, our newly dried boards are ready to be assembled into floors. These floors are cut and assembled by our customers' specifications. Once the machines cut the boards, our inventory is automatically updated, and once the floor is finished, it is ready to be sealed. Alright, so this is the high-tech carbon weaved adhesive we use to give our floors extra protection and strength. Once the machines have applied the seal, such as this, they move into the shipping center. Here at the shipping center, we have rounded up our completed floors for our customers to come pick up. As we mentioned earlier, this process can lead to issues and loss of profits. So we have decided to implement our vertical integration system, which will end up fixing this problem. Instead of forcing our customers to come pick up their floors, we have decided to buy a few trucks that we will personally ship the floors to our customers. In result, this will eliminate past problems we have faced and create new revenue streams for our company. Once the floors are shipped, we update our inventory system and the supply chain is complete.